How to find Capital One ATM and branches near you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to find out the nearby locations of Capital One Bank near you? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your browser and then head over to capitalone.com. Then you can see location icon in the top right beside sign in. Just tap on it, and then here you can either allow your location access or you can just search for the address and then just tap on it, and then it will help you find nearby locations of Capital One Bank. So you can just scroll down and view all of the location details. You can tap on it and get more information. You can get directions and more. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.